Palantir Technologies. The name alone evokes a sense of mystery, of shadowy algorithms and powerful insights. This data analytics company has always been a polarizing force in the market. Now, with PLTR stock surging, everyone's wondering, is this a blip on the radar or the start of a meteoric rise? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Palantir to see if this rally has legs. This isn't just another tech stock on a tear. Palantir operates in a world of government contracts and big data, a space shrouded in secrecy and immense potential. Their software is used to track everything from terrorist networks to supply chain disruptions. It's the kind of technology that could reshape entire industries, and that's got investors both excited and wary. The recent stock surge signals a shift in sentiment. Investors are starting to see Palantir not just as a government contractor, but as a major player in the broader data analytics market. But with great potential comes great risk. So, is Palantir's rally a sign of things to come, or are we headed for a reality check? Let's find out. To understand where Palantir is going, we need to understand what's driving it forward. Three major forces are propelling PLTR's stock price: strong earnings reports, whispers of a potential S&P 500 inclusion, and the insatiable demand for data analytics. Palantir has been consistently beating analyst expectations, proving they can turn data into dollars. Their recent quarterly report showed impressive revenue growth and a clear path to profitability. Palantir is generating real cash flow, and that's music to investors' ears. Inclusion in the S&P 500 would be a major vote of confidence, driving the price higher. We're living in the age of data, and Palantir is at the forefront of this revolution. Their software empowers organizations to make sense of vast, complex data sets. From optimizing logistics to predicting market trends, the applications are limitless. As the world becomes increasingly data-driven, Palantir is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. Now, let's pop the hood and see what makes Palantir tick. Their business model rests on three pillars: government contracts, commercial market expansion, and their cutting-edge data analytics software. Palantir made its name in government intelligence. Their software is used by agencies like the CIA and the Department of Defense to safeguard national security. These contracts are lucrative but controversial. Privacy advocates worry about misuse, adding an ethical dimension. Palantir is expanding into the commercial sector. They're targeting healthcare, finance, and energy. Imagine hospitals optimizing patient care or banks detecting fraud in real time. Palantir's secret sauce is their proprietary data analytics software. It's about connecting the dots and providing actionable insights. This software sets Palantir apart and fuels their growth plans. But before you go all in on PLTR, remember that every investment comes with risks. Palantir is no exception. High valuation, fierce competition, and limited public information are just some of the challenges that could derail this high-flying stock. Let's start with valuation. There's no denying that PLTR stock is priced for perfection. Its current valuation bakes in years of aggressive growth, and any misstep could send the stock tumbling. Investors are betting on Palantir's ability to execute on its ambitious plans, but there's always a chance they could fall short. Then there's the competition. The data analytics space is crowded with tech giants like Microsoft and Amazon, all vying for a piece of the pie. Palantir may have a technological edge, but they'll need to fight tooth and nail to defend their market share against these deep-pocketed rivals. And finally, there's the issue of transparency. Palantir operates in a world of government secrets and proprietary algorithms. This lack of public information makes it difficult for investors to fully assess the company's risks and opportunities. It's a classic case of trust us, we're the experts, which can be unsettling for some investors. So, what do the experts think? The street is divided on Palantir. Bulls see a company with game-changing technology, a massive market opportunity, and a clear path to dominance. They point to Palantir's impressive track record, their expanding customer base, and their visionary leadership as reasons to be optimistic. Bears, on the other hand, caution against getting caught up in the hype. They highlight Palantir's high valuation, their reliance on government contracts, and the intense competition in the data analytics space as potential red flags. They argue that the stock price has gotten ahead of itself and that a correction is inevitable. As always, the truth likely lies somewhere in the middle. Palantir is a company with enormous potential, but also significant risks. Investors need to weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. So, should you buy PLTR stock? The answer, as always, is it depends. Here are a few key factors to consider before making a decision. Palantir is a high-risk, high-reward investment. Are you comfortable with the volatility that comes with investing in a company at this stage of its growth? Are you a long-term investor, or are you looking for a quick profit? Palantir's success will likely play out over years, not months. Don't just rely on hype or headlines. Take the time to research Palantir's business model, their financials, and their competitive landscape. Understand the risks and opportunities before making a decision. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Make informed decisions based on your individual circumstances and investment goals. Palantir's story is still being written. Will they become the data analytics powerhouse that some predict, or will they succumb to the challenges that lie ahead? Only time will tell. One thing is for sure, Palantir is a company that demands attention. They operate at the cutting edge of technology, tackling some of the world's most complex problems. Whether you're a bull or a bear, there's no denying that Palantir is a company that's shaping the future. The recent surge in PLTR stock is a testament to the company's potential, but it's also a reminder that the market can be irrational and unpredictable. Investors would be wise to proceed with caution, doing their homework and making informed decisions. The data may hold the key to the future, but it's up to each investor to interpret the signals and chart their own course. Do you think PLTR's stock price will continue to climb? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth market analysis videos.